This is our fourth stop, Tallinn in Estonia. As soon as you step off the ship, you have the opportunity to rent a bicycle or take a sightseeing bus, or you can walk into town, and that's what we're going to do. You can see in the background the balloon, and that's where the ship is. The walk took me about 15 minutes. It's only about half a mile, very easy. The first thing you come across is the Round Maritime Museum. Behind that is St. Olaf's Church. The official language is Estonian, similar to Hungarian and Finnish. St. Olaf's Church, with its 124-metre spire, which can be seen all over the city, was once the tallest structure in the world. The church was dedicated to the Norwegian king, Olaf II. The tower is 258 steps high, so if you're energetic, you can go to the top. Here I go. I don't know how far up I am, but I'm having a rest. Nearly there, I see a light, and there's first aid there. There in the mist is the Arcadia. We counted 6 ships this morning. There are 6 ships in port. Spectacular view. Oh wow, they look like dolls' houses. Tallinn is the capital of Estonia, and between the 13th and 16th centuries it was a major trading port, which made it part of the Hanseatic League, a word I haven't used since Bergen. I'm reliably informed it has 1 foot in the 15th century and 1 foot in the present. Local hairdressers. Tucked away behind the houses are these wonderful alfresco cafes. There are a few places in the world that are this pretty, but not many, and the medieval architecture makes it look like fairyland. The plaque on the wall says this is the home of the Tallinn Philharmonic Society. This is the oldest cafe in Tallinn.
Donc, il y a les souvenirs à acheter ici, c'est l'ambre, c'est évidemment les vêtements en lin, le chocolat à Calais, entre autres, et tous les objets en bois. Voilà.
Now we're in the town square. It's a great place to stop and have a snack. It caters for all tastes. There's an Indian restaurant behind me. There's old Estonian food, there's pizzerias. In fact, we've just been offered an elk sandwich. They've even got a conch train. Last time I saw one of those was in my other favourite place, Key West. And you can check that out on Doris Visits. Another very popular way to see Tallinn. Here's tourist information on Kulosepa Street. Opposite the Parliament building is the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. It's very ornate inside. Over there is the church where we walked up all those steps, but if you don't want to do that, you can get a great view from up the top of Tumpea Hill. It looks like something out of a children's fairy tale. This little restaurant was very unusual inside, and we sampled some local delicacies. Delicious. This is St Mary's Cathedral, also known as the Dome Church, and there's a display of over 100 coats of arms inside. It's well worth the look. There's a small fee to go in, but that helps towards the upkeep. Behind me is the hint of a castle wall. The Baroque Tumpea Castle is now the home of the Estonian Parliament. It's no good looking for the castle because the whole of Tumpea is in the castle grounds. There's a museum inside this artillery tower and the name is this, but I daren't risk saying it. because it might sound rather rude. I'm not sure of the pronunciation. We found the entrance to the museum of this place. Behind me is a stage in front of some medieval towers. There's approximately 1.5 million people live in Estonia, and nearly a third of those live in Tallinn, and I would say it's a lovely place to live.